So we have talked about expanding a difference of squares. Now we're going to talk about factoring a difference of squares. And Margot is really astute by saying that the expanded form of a difference of squares will have a binomial, it'll have a subtraction, and it will have a square number at the end. So a difference, what does a difference mean in math? It means subtraction of two square numbers. A difference of squares is just a subtraction of two square numbers. So if we have Sarah Guttridge minus 25, and we're going to have Sarah squared minus 25. So let's see if this fits the definition of a difference of squares. Do we have a difference?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have two squares?
Yes.
S squared is a square. 25 is a square.
Wait, 25?
So we know that we have a difference of squares. And a difference of squares will always, almost always, be a binomial. That means two terms. Both of them are perfect squares, and it will be subtraction. This is going to be equal to a product of binomials, two binomials multiplied together. When we did expanding of a difference of squares, what was the sign? What were the signs inside the binomials? What were the signs inside the binomials? It's like the same people over and over again. Sarah.
Sorry, okay. It was addition and subtraction.
So one is going to be addition, one is going to be subtraction. So the square root of s squared, what times itself is equal to s squared?
S.
So we're going to have an s here and an s here. What times itself is 25?
5.
5. So we have successfully factored the difference of squares. Simple. Let's try another one. And we'll make this one a little more difficult. Let's say we have 4l squared minus 9k squared. So let's go through our sort of checklist to see if this meets the criteria of a difference of squares. Do we have a difference?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have two perfect squares?
Yes.
Yes, because 4l squared is a perfect square, 9k squared is a perfect square. So when we factor this, we will end up having a product of binomials. What is the square root of 4l squared?
2l.
2l. So that's going to occur in both binomials. What signs will we have in the two binomials?
Subtraction.
One addition and one subtraction. And what is the square root of
3.
9? Okay, 3.
Isn't it negative 3 because it's negative 9?
And what about the...
K.
Oh, so 4l squared minus 9k squared is equal to 2l plus 3k times 2l minus 3k. And that's it. All right, have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
I love these.